family, how you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. Today on the menu is scallops with some Alfredo sauce and pasta. Now scallops can be very intimidating to cook because you can't cook them too long. You're going to end up with rubber in your mouth. And if you never eat that before, but I have not. So right now I have some scallops here requested by my wonderful brother. So this is seasoned with some salt and black pepper. Now I'm putting them in this pan. This pan is hot, as you can tell, but the scallops end up sticking to the pan. I'm going to let them cook on each side for about a minute, 1 to 2 minutes. Turn them, and then I'm going to continue. It is a lot. And like I said, I'm not going to lie, y'all. I was in here sweating. Doing this, I was nervous. I was sweating because, like I said, I've never cooked scallops before, and I always heard that it can be intimidating. But you have to do stuff sometimes, no matter what other people say, so you can get it right and get it done, to take away all that fear that you have on the inside. So I'm going to let these cook for a minute or two, and 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to turn them over and then finish them up, and then I'll start a new batch and you guys will see the process. Okay, so now you see right here all that stickiness, the burnness to the bottom of the pan. And right here, I think I'm down to the last finishing touches of the scallops. Now, I'm not even much gonna mess with that. I'm just gonna let that stay just how it is right there in that pan and finish these off. Yeah, these are just tidbits, so I just want to take these out. Like I said, boy, I'm telling them. Oh, but me get it done and everything. So you see me, I try scrape off what left will get stick to the pan. So I'm gonna take out all of these right now. Like me say, sweating is a thing, me I tell her. So after that, now I take out all of it. I'm gonna go in with this sauce. This is this Alfredo Sauce Classico. I like this brand. Even into spaghetti sauce, I use it a lot with this brand, and I get to stick to this one because I like it. So I'm going in with 2 jars of the Alfredo sauce. And then after that, I'm gonna also go in with some garlic, a handful of garlic. We love garlic. So I went ahead and add that amount of garlic in there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna try to get all of those burnt pieces off the bottom of the pan, and it's gonna give me some work, which in due time it did. See, I'm scraping it, which in due time it did come up, because after a while with all the sauce and the steam and everything, it did come up. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this part up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season this. I'm gonna go ahead and add some black pepper. As you can see, I don't think I add a lot of seasoning to this at all, because that sauce already has a lot of seasoning to it. And then I did went ahead and let him taste it himself to see if it's tastes to his liking, because my brother does not love a lot of salt in his food. So that's why I didn't go ahead and add anything else but the black pepper. Now you can see the spoon is moving around pretty good and everything. So taste it. I think he went ahead and tasted there and tell me if it was okay. And yeah, so what I'm going to do now is add in the pasta. And I think he ended up picking linguine pasta for this. So I'm going to go ahead and add that in there. And I did a whole box. I did not want to do too much. So yeah, those are linguinis. So I'm going to go ahead and add those in, and then I'm going to go ahead and coat the pasta with all of that sauce. Move it around. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I'm really, to be honest, guys, I am so proud of myself the way how this turned out for my first time. And my family always tell me, you always worried about soul food. I say, listen, anything for the first time, you're nervous. So I'm going to go ahead and move this around. Now, I told, I'm going to go ahead now and add in the scallops to it. Just like that right there. That is it. And I'm going to cover this up for a little bit because he's waiting. I'm always making sure that he's good. Trust me. So I'm just going to go ahead and move it around, and I'm going to cover this up for a little bit and then get everything nice and soaked and covered. And now right here I went ahead and add some parsley to this. I didn't plate this. I just left it just like that on the stove to keep warm, because I didn't plate it at all. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, that bell notification, and also to subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you again. Please be safe. Enjoy. Bye.